you doing? Okay, I'm good. It's your turn. About to get your head together. Maybe it is.
Let's see how you're doing, Mr. Combs. Still not dry. More time.
No sense. Pardon me, I gotta do my own hair. They don't know what to do over here. Act like they ain't never seen curls like this.
Oh, look who's finally dry.
Thanks, did it myself.
Thank you for your donation. I'll never understand that man.
See, Tam, I told you this would work. Look at all these beautiful faces here to support you. Even the ones without much hair.
Thanks, Courtney. You've been such a great help. We've been able to assist 100 people today. I'm really grateful for everything you've done.
You're welcome. Now we can get that Aunt Jackie's collection started for Lisa with all the money we raised.
Exactly. I can't believe you pulled it off, Curlfriends.
Yeah, only after 14 hours to get my curl on.
I don't want to see another flexi ride in my life.
Well, it was worth it. We made more than enough money to purchase a bunch of Aunt Jackie's products.
Thanks again, Courtney. It was your genius idea. We couldn't have done any of this without you.
Oh, thanks, Tam. Well, ladies, let's meet tomorrow at 9 a.m. to start shopping. Who's with me?
Yeah, let's make it 11.
I can't feel my fingers.
Well, ladies, you deserve it. See you tomorrow.
Look at all this stuff fix my hair.
You really
done
everything.
Oh my gosh.
You guys
I see why she loves this stuff so much. You see these ingredients? Yes.
Cocoa wash. I love it.
So it's been a couple of days and all the products have been shipped. I can't wait for her to get them. I got them super expedited.
I can't wait to see how happy she is. I feel really good about what we did, Tam.
I do too, Courtney. You have a really good heart.
I know, right?
Hello?
This is the nicest thing anyone's ever done for me. 12 whole boxes of Aunt Jackie products? This would definitely help me get back on track. Thanks again, Curlfriends. Love you to the curls and back.
Don't mention it, Lisa. We love you.
Love you, Lisa. We'll give you a call tomorrow. Enjoy, okay?
What's wrong?
I didn't want to say anything, but Lisa mentioned she got 12 boxes of products and I only sent 6.
Well, I wanted to surprise you too. Your wonderful sister D-Lo matched what we had. She told me to call her and let her know how many boxes we sent, and she would send the same since she couldn't work the event.
Oh my God. Thank you so much, girlfriend. It's been a long journey, but we did it.
We did it.